Okay guys, I have something special for you. I made slime. One of my slimes. It's a purple slime with sparkles. It's like a light purple. And it feels really good. It comes apart but it goes back together. And yeah, but don't put on your leg or nothing because now I got sparkles all over my hand and my couch and my leg. I have sparkles. I don't know how to get it off because I put sparkles in it. A lot of sparkles and I don't know how to take the sparkles out. And I'll show you my next slime. I only made two, so gonna be a short video. Dropped it before. It's so good. Look, watch this. And this is my next slime. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I just need to do something real quick. Okay. See this blue slime? This is the real slime stuff. So, see, I'll show you more. This has some sparkles in it and stuff. You can also poke it. I think this one's better. And I also have and I also have some seashells and I can put in. And see, okay. See, fish, it looks like water. I'll show you something. So you can put, I made more to this bottle and it looks like fish are swimming in it. Yeah, so that is all. I'm sorry. Make more slime. Bye.